Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, Page 4. Dear children, today we'll read about shapes of objects. You see many shapes around you. This world is full of shapes. Everything has one shape or the other. Let's begin today's lesson. Here you see many shapes. This is circle. Coin has a circle shape. This is triangle shape. Set square and potato pastry have triangle shapes. This is square. Carom board has a square shape. This is rectangular shape. Pakistani flag has a rectangular shape. STEAM activity. Use heart chart to make a 2D square, a circle and a rectangle. Think and tell how many sides are there in a triangle. Dear teachers, make the children recognize and spell basic shapes. Show them flashcards or charts and ask them about the shapes of different objects. Read out a short rhyme to depict shapes and their importance in life. Involve them in any STEAM activity to develop better understanding about shapes. Have a nice day.